Hello everyone, this is a bouncy sound and it's the sound qu 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 qu. Qu 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 qu. Qu 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 qu. Excellent. Let's have a little look at our pictures. Now, these children look like they are not being very nice to each other. And they're having a qu 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 quarrel. Can you say that? Well done. A quarrel is a little bit like they're having a little bit of an argument. They're not agreeing on something. Here we have a qu 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 quilt. And qu 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 queen. And this queen is going to help us to write our sound today. So you watch as I draw the queen on the board. So we're going to say qu 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 queen. There we go. Now we need to give her her crown, her face, and she's got lovely ribbons in her hair. There we go. Lovely hair. Excellent. So we're going to say qu 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 queen. Can you say that with me? Qu 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 queen. Excellent. But can I tell you something very special about this queen? It's a little bit like a special friend sound because there is another letter that goes with the queen when we make the qu sound. She is so special, so special. She can't get wet. No way can the queen get wet. So she has to go everywhere with her umbrella because we don't want her to get wet. She would be very upset if she got wet. So we have to take an umbrella. So here we're going to draw the umbrella. Can you remember? So we have the puddle and we had the umbrella and the handle. There we go. So that she doesn't get wet. So I'm going to write the sound again. This time I'm just going to write the qu sound, okay? So we're going to say qu 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 qu. Just like that. So let's have a little look. Here is the qu sound card. Can you see? So there's the queen, but when we write it, we need to make sure we give her the umbrella so that she doesn't get wet, doesn't get angry. Okay? So let's hide it into the middle of our pile. Qu. So remember when you see it. Qu for queen and her umbrella. That's where we're going to put it. There. In it goes. So are we ready? Okay, write a point when you see the qu sound. That's the queen and her umbrella. So what have we got here? Shh. Ooh. D. T. I. N. K. O. W. V. B. Qu. Excellent. K. Z. O. G. P. Ch. J. G. A. S. E. Oh, I'm back to sh. Dear me. How many sounds have we learned? It's fantastic. Well done. So, here is the queen. And here is the qu sound. So let's have a little look. Queen. Yeah. Qu. Queen. Qu. So let's sing. Don't make any mistakes. Look carefully. Is it the queen or is it the qu sound? Qu. Queen. Oh, well done. And qu. Excellent. Well done. There we go. Now then, how are we going to write this queen, this qu? Well, what we need to say is round her head and down her hair. Okay, let's do it together. Round her head and down her hair. And not forgetting, when we write it, we need the umbrella as well. So, are you ready to air write? We're going to go round her head and down her hair, and an up for umbrella. Again, round her head and down her hair, and an up for umbrella. Perfect. Have you got your pen? So remember, this is like special friends, because they need to go together. Okay, you need to do the umbrella right next to the queen so that she doesn't get wet. Let's have a try. So we're going to say round her head and down her hair. And there's the up for umbrella. Again, round her head and down her hair. And there's the up for umbrella. Once more. Round her head and down her hair. And there's the up for the umbrella. Oh, well done everyone. Good work. Now then, I'm going to write out about our qu sound so that I've got some space to practice writing some different sounds with you. Which one shall we practice today? I think we need to practice some of our special friend sounds. Yeah? So we will practice. Stick that tongue out. So remember when you say, thank you, said the princess to the horse. Have you remembered that the princess was stuck in the tower and the horse came to help her? Great. How about we do vulture? We haven't done that one for a little while. Vulture. So we just go down the wing, up the wing. Ready? Down the wing, up the wing. Excellent. Now, I know a good one to practice at the moment would be a p, because I think a p is a little bit similar to a qu. And they're ones that we could mix up. So let's do the pirate. Ready? Down the pirate's plait and round his face. It's a little bit similar to going around the queen's face and down her hair. So we have to make sure we get them the right way. So, qu sounds. Do we know any words with the qu sound, I wonder? Does Fred know any? Hi, Fred. Welcome back. Have you been practicing? Yes. Excellent. Have you got some sounds for us? Perfect. Come on then. Oh. Qu, it, quit. Well done, everyone. Ooh. Special friend sounds. Qu, it, quick. Excellent. One more. Oh, a picture on the board. Ready? Qu, e, n. Oh, shall we do that one again to practice? Qu, e, n. Queen. Oh, you did super today, everybody. Well done.